So just touched up that one where the top plate broke. You can see, you can get the focus here. Still usable. And got out what gullet was there. Got to clean them all out, really. As you can see, some are worse than others. Some are not that bad. But I'm gonna make them all nice and even and clean, just like a little canoe. That way it'll pull ship exactly the way it's supposed to. Yeah, give a shout out to Buck and Billy Ray Smith for teaching me how to properly file a chain. Getting the gullet and getting that top plate and working corner. I'll bring it back here. Show you the one I just did before that. Yeah. Show cut. I need to get one of his stickers. Put it on my vise. Show cut. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera here and give y'all a look at how I try to do it the same way Buckin does, but I'm not as experienced as he is. Still learning. Clean out the gullet there. Beautiful. Take that corner in. Alright, see the one I just did there. Where is it? There it is. Let me just make it easier. Yeah.